My name's Gavin I'm 19. I'm from a little village in Anglesey. I work in Reuben's Male Grooming in Llongyfarchiadau PG. I suffer from ADHD. I struggled a lot when I was in primary school and high school and things like that with my behavioural issues. And then when I was about 12, 13, my dad got diagnosed with cancer. And then about a month after my 17th birthday, I watched my old man die in front of me in my living room. I still get PTSD from it, like I'll wake up in the night and I'll still have problems and stuff, but I am overcoming them. Like the apprenticeship has just, it's helped me work on making sure that he's proud of me for everything that I've done, because I didn't really do much to make him proud while he was here. An apprenticeship is definitely worth it if you have that opportunity. Just go for it, don't even second guess it.